If you want to insert SIM card into Nothing Phone 3A, then you need to prepare the pin tool, the SIM eject tool, that we can find inside the box. I have mine over here and it looks a little bit different, but it does the job anyway. Now, over here at the bottom, we have our SIM tray with this hole on the left side. So we want to put the pin into that hole and then push it down until it comes out just a little bit. So once it pops out, you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray completely. Now over here we have slots for our SIM card. So we have SIM 1 and SIM 2 on the other side, and we need to match the shape. So I'm just gonna put it in like this, and it should go in pretty easily, and at the same time it should be pretty stable. We can also of course insert the second SIM. So let's do this. Let's put it in. There we go. And of course they should not stick out or anything like that. It should be fully in. And after that, we need to insert the SIM tray back into its place and push it with your finger so that it doesn't stick out even a little bit. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.